How to blur multiple faces in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut and import your video to the timeline. Now select the video, right-click on the video, then click copy and paste it over the original one. Then select the duplicate video and go to the Effects tab. Search for Blur Effect. Choose this one and drag into the duplicate layer. Now go to the mask option here in the top right corner. Then select any shape you want. I am using circle shape. Then adjust the shape as your preference. Now if you are using the latest version of CapCut, you can find this track mask option here. Simply click on this and this will be track the mask shape according to the object position, just like that. Now to blur multiple faces, just simply click the original video again and duplicate it and put it at the top layer. Then again choose the blur effect. Then go to the mask option. Choose circle shape. Then adjust the shape as your preference. And click on this track option. And for the last one, follow the same steps. Now let's see the preview. So that's how you can blur multiple faces in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.